Hello, cheaters! We are back with another tutorial on a new feature. We have added in some looping enhancements to the Chrome extension. You will notice when you select a saved cheat now, you have a loop option here, and you will be prompted for 2 inputs, and this will then loop that automation. So as an example, I have an Amazon product here. I have an Amazon scraper I've built. You can see our other videos on how to build other automations such as scrapers or how to fill out forms. So I will select the automation that I want to run and loop. Then I will select the looping option, and I'll be prompted for the delay between loops in seconds that I would like to use. So we'll choose a small delay here. We'll just delay 2 seconds. And then we'll ask for the maximum number of additional executions that we want in our loop. So again, I'll choose a fairly small number here. I'll choose 3 additional loops. Then we'll click OK. Our automation will run, and then it will run those 3 additional looped times. So here you can see in our output sheet, we ran it once, and then we have those 3 additional loops added into our automation. So this is a very simple application of this new functionality, but you can apply this to some of our more advanced features, such as when you pull data out of a Google Sheet and you iterate that through, which we have another tutorial explaining how to set that up. If you loop one of those automations, this will just automatically go to the next row. So I hope you cheaters find this new functionality very helpful and useful and can apply this to your own use cases. So thank you for tuning in to another quick tutorial. We'll continue to put these out on our YouTube channel. So be sure to subscribe so you get the latest information when we post new videos and new tutorials about new features.